AB values 320, 360, 320, 360, 360, 460, and then next 400, 340, correct, 400 and 340. So it is very important to write the table. So now, what is the difference between total number of people from cities A, B together who went to cinema hall on Sunday? Sunday, A, B together, 440, 320, 760, and you are asked to calculate difference. This number and there is another number. City B who went to cinema hall on Monday, which is 360. Difference 400, first option. Number of people from city D who went to cinema hall on Sunday. Sunday, city D, 400. Was what percentage more than those from city B who went to cinema hall on Sunday? Yes, city B Sunday, 320. 400 is how much more than 320? 80 more from 320. Percentage into 100. 50% of the denominator, 160. 25%, 80. Or you can directly go with 80 cancellation, 80 ones and then 4 times. 1 by 4, 25%, third option. How many people from cities C, D together went to cinema hall on Monday? C and D together on Monday. 360, 340, 460, 340, 800. If 448 people from city A went to cinema hall on third day, that is Tuesday, what is the respective ratio between people, number of people from city A who went to cinema hall on Tuesday and Monday? Tuesday it is already mentioned 448 and city A Monday, that is 300 and Monday, city A Monday 320. Is this clear? Right, look at the denominator. You have 0. Denominator ends with 0. That means it's a multiple of 5. Do we have 5 multiple in numerator? Then your second number in answer must be 5 multiple only. First cannot be your answer, third cannot be your answer, either second or fourth or fifth. Yes? And now in your none of your numbers in numerator or denominator, they are not 3 multiples. Is your numerator 3 multiple? Then you are not supposed to get 3 multiple. With that reason I will eliminate second option. Now if you want to get in place of denominator 5, your cancellation must be with 64 only. 64 5 times only 620, right? So you know that cancellation is with 64. Let's go with last digit verification. 8 into 4 ends with, is your numerator ends with 2? This cannot be your answer. Fifth option, final answer. 4 into 7 ends with, that satisfies the rule. Otherwise you need to end up with cancellation. Cancellation with 8. And then you need to try with some other number also, probably. If the number of people from a fifth day, E, fifth city E, who went to cinema hall on Sunday, was 65% more from city C, who went to cinema hall on Sunday. City C, Sunday, 360. And it is 65% more. That means we have to calculate 165% of 360 only. 165, that is 11 multiple. Come on. Answer must be 11 multiple. And 360 is 9 multiple. Answer must be 9 multiple also. Is your first option 9 multiple? Second option 9 multiple? No. Is your third option 9 multiple? No. Is your fourth option 9 multiple? No. Fifth? No. Only one, final answer. Done. If multiple options are there, you can go for 11 multiplication rule also. Because 165 is 11 multiple. Are you following? Right, next, these are not my questions, so let me start with 54 onwards. Yes, let's rewrite it. Left hand side numerator, right hand side numerator. There is only one digit after decimal, hence I will treat it as 17 into 45 is equal to 9. By x goes to right hand side number comes to left hand side. 9 5 times 17 5s, 85. Next, cancellation with 6, come on. 6 3 is 18, 6 8 is 48, minus 43. Go for last digit verification. 43 ends with 3 and numerator ends with 7. 3 into which number ends with 7? It has to be 9 only. 38 minus 9. Answer 29. First option. Followed. Next. Minus x goes to right hand side. Right hand side number will come to left hand side. So is it okay if you verify number after decimal? Look at your options. Options are different when you look at number after decimal, correct? Let's concentrate only number after decimal. Right hand side number ends with 0.8. When that comes to left hand side, it becomes minus 8 only. Minus 4 minus 8. Minus 1.2. As we are concentrating only number after decimal, 0.2 or 20. And what is positive number ends with? 0.35 minus 0.20. Answer must end with 0.15. Fourth option final. Done. Right. 3 how many times? 4 times. Left hand side 8 goes to right hand side. 4 into 8. Left hand side how much is there? Under root of 439 plus x. Correct? Correct. Squaring on both sides will give us 439 plus x is equal to 32 square. You know that point. 1, 0, 2, 4. Now take 439 to right hand side. It is 5 and then 8. Answer must end with 85. 585, fifth option. Right, this is easy. 72 divided by 8. How much is that? 9. So now, when you have under root value which ends with 6, your original number may end with either 4 or 6. If it is 4 minus 9, answer should end with 5. Do you have that? Is there any option which ends with 5? This cannot be the one. Now, if it is 6 minus 9, it must end with 7. It must end with 7. How many options are there? 2 options are there. Am I right? Just a minute. This is 9 multiple? Come on. If it is 3 multiple, 3 multiple minus 3 multiple will give you 3 multiple. I am concentrating only second option and then fourth option. Third option is not 3 multiple, but fourth option is 3 multiple. So I am verifying whether our answer is 3 multiple or not. Is this okay? If under root value is 9 multiple, then your original number will be 3 multiple. Is your under root value 9 multiple? Say yes or no. Is your under root value 5776 9 multiple? Then your number, original number is not 3 multiple. Non-3 multiple minus 3 multiple will give you non-3 multiple answer. Second option, final answer. మీలో చాలా మందికి ఇది అర్థం కాలేదనే విషయం నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది. కామ్గా చేసేద్దాం రండి. Your answer may end with either 4 or 6. That's all. Next, 70 square 4900. Under root value is more than that. 80 square 6400. This is less than that. So I'll try to calculate 75 square. 7 into 8 56. 5 square 25. Our number is more than 75 square. Hence this value must be 76 square only. 76 minus 9, answer 67, final answer. Next. 7.2 goes to right hand side. Then it becomes 63 minus x is equal to 216 by 72 by 10. Denominator in denominator comes to numerator. 73 3 times and then is 0. 72 3 times. 63 minus 30 is our answer. Answer 33, third option. Next. These two numbers goes to right hand side and it becomes 2 5 by 6 plus 2 2 by 3 minus 1 1 by 3. Is that okay? 2 plus 2 minus 1 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 also can be written as 2 by 6. Already 5 by 6 plus 2 by 6. 7 by 6. 7 by 6 in the sense 1 1 by 6. 3 plus 1 1 by 6 in the sense 4 1 by 6. First option final. Over. Right. right hand side number 7.5, we can write it as 15 by 2. 15 70 times. Go for cross multiplication. 70 into 2, 140 is equal to 15 square, 225 minus x. X is equal to 225 minus 140. Answer 85, fourth option. This is 25 more than 200. This is 60 less than 200. 25, 60. Sum is 85. 10 square, 100. This value goes to right hand side and becomes plus only. Come on. Right. Now, x cube is equal to 100 plus 1075 by divided by 43. Is this clear? What is 10 times of denominator? 430. 20 times? 860. 30 times? 1290. But you have numerator less than that. That means this value is more than 20 but less than 30 only. We are adding 100 also. That means x cube is more than 120 but less than 130. Which cube is in between 120 and 130? Come on. 5 cube, final answer. Asli Ramayanam kuda akkarla. When this value goes to right hand side, 100 plus 1075 divided by 43. This is x cube. Numerator ends with 5. That means it is a 5 multiple. Divided by. In denominator we have 43. Last digit verification. This entire number ends with. Come on. Which cube ends with 5? Over. If you have 5, 15, 25, you need to get some other logic. Next. 60, 80. Ai pillalu. 140. 8 plus 4, 12. 140, 12. 152. 0.52, 0.48. 1. That is 153. Divided by 0.5. Can I write it as 1 by 2? 1 denominator in denominator comes to numerator. That is equal to 303, fifth option final. Over. Next. Is it a free question? No, we have to calculate. 90 we can write it as 9 and 10. Plus 9 plus 10 is the combination. Factors are minus 9, minus 10. Next 8 and 9. Product is 72. Plus 8 plus 9 combination. Minus 8 minus 9. X less than y. X equal to y. X less than y. X less than y. X is less than or equal to y. Final answer, which is fifth option. Over. 132 combination 11 and 12. Plus 11 plus 12, that is plus 23. Then factors are minus 11 minus 12. Product must be 80. 8 and 10. Plus 8 plus 10. Factors minus 8 minus 10. X less than y. X less than y. X less than y. X less than y. Everywhere it is x is less than y. X less than y. Fourth option final. Next leftover questions are from question number 36 onwards, and now we will start arithmetic questions. So don't go into technicalities for this question. Just follow the data. That's all. The difference between base and hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is 8. So base A, height B, hypotenuse C. So for right angle triangle, hypotenuse must be more than height and then base. Then difference between base and hypotenuse in the sense C minus A is equal to 8. Next, its base is 7 centimeters more than the height. That means A is equal to B plus 7. Next, sum of height and hypotenuse, that is B plus C, is equal to 25. Now, so in place of A, we can write it as B plus 7. Then the equation becomes C minus B minus 7 goes to right hand side. That becomes plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15. And at the same time, we also have C plus B is equal to 25. 2C is equal to 40. C is equal to 20. Is this clear? Then when you substitute C value here, you will get B is equal to 5. And when you substitute B value here, you will get A is equal to, come on, 12. And what is your question? Find the base of the triangle. Base of the triangle is A. A is equal to 12. Don't go into technicalities. Technicalities in the sense, in a right angle triangle, opposite side square plus adjacent side square must be equal to hypotenuse. And if you start verifying, 12 square plus 5 square will never be equal to 20 square. Don't go to technicalities. Is this clear? They just gave you data, and using the data we got the answer as 12, and that's our final answer. That's all. 12 men can complete a work in 8 days. 12 men can do the work in 8 days. Next, 16 women can do the work in 9 days. 16 women can do the work in 9 days. DD gets cancelled. 8 2 times, 6 2 times, 6 3 times. That means 2 men efficiency is equal to 3 women efficiency. Next, 4 men and 6 women started. With this, 4 men efficiency is equal to 6 women only. Come on. So in place of 4 men, I will write it as 6 women. And also we have 6 more women. That means 12 women started and worked for 4 days. 12 women worked for 4 days. Next year question is, how many more days will be required by only 8 men? With this, 8 men efficiency is equal to 12 women only. Come on. 12 women are already there. They already worked for 4 days. And apart from 4 days, they are working for X more days. Let us assume like this. With this, we should be able to complete the total work. Now, according to women, you know that 16 women can complete the work in 9 days. 4, 3 times, 4, 4 times, 3, 3 times. X is equal to right hand side 12, left hand side number 4 goes to other side. 12 minus 4, answer is equal to 8, second option final. We are just converting entire data into only men or only women. That's all. 1/5 of in the sense into 2/3 of 3/4 of a number. 3 3 gets cancelled. 2 times, that is 1/10 only. Come on. In terms of percentage, can I treat it as 10%? For easy simplification purpose, I am taking like this. Is 24 less than 25% of the number? 10% is how much percentage less than 25%? 15%. And in terms of number, this is mentioned as 24. That means 15% is equal to 24 only. Next, what is 60% of the number? 60% of the number. Vertical comparison. 15 how many times is 60? Right hand side 24 4 times. 96 final answer, second option. Is it clear? If you start taking x and so on, you will get answer, but takes time. One value is compared with respect to fraction, the other number is in terms of percentage. So if both values are in percentage, it becomes our job easy, sir. That's the reason why I converted 1/10 as 10%, not in terms of x. The ratio between breadth and length of the rectangular plot is 3:5. So B is equal to 3 parts and length is equal to 5 parts. The perimeter of the plot, perimeter 2 times of L plus B. What is L plus B? 8 parts. 2 times 16 parts is 220 meters more than length of the plot. What is length of the plot from the number of parts? Come on, 5 parts. So difference between 16 parts and 5 parts is mentioned as 220. From this, P is equal to 20. Left hand side 11 parts is equal to 220. 11 20 times P is equal to 20. Is it clear? Now what is your question? What is the area of the plot? Area of the plot in the sense 3P into 5P, that is 15 into P square only. How much is P square value? 400. Then answer is equal to 6000 square meters, third option. Why to unnecessarily calculate 3 parts value and then 5 parts value and then why to multiply them? అర్థం కాల. నిజంగా మీకు బ్రెడ్త్ ఎంత లెంత్ ఎంతో కావాలా? డైరెక్ట్గా ప్రొడక్టే కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ 3 parts and then 5 parts. So ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 15 parts square. 15 into p square value which is 20 square 400. Next. The ratio between simple interest and a sum of money at the end of 2 years and the principal amount is 1:10. So principal is always 100% only. In terms of number of parts, how many parts it is? 10 parts. If 10 parts is equal to 100%, 1 part is 10% simple interest we got. In how many years? For 2 years, if the interest percentage is 10% per year, it must be 5%. Next. If the total compound interest compounded annually on the principal amount at the end of 2 years is 82 rupees. What is the principal? At the rate of x% per annum, compound interest for 2 years is x% plus x square by 100 only. That means 5 plus 5. 10. 5 square by 100. 0.25 or 1 by 4. Come on. So 10 1 by 4. So wait. 10 1 by 4% is equal to 82 and we need to calculate 100%. Just use your common sense. If 10 1 by 4% is equal to 82, what could be the value for 10%? I'm saying use your common sense. If 10 1 by 4% is equal to 82, what could be expected value for 10? If 10% is 80, 100% must be? Second option, final answer. Done. If you say I don't have common sense, then this is the way. 10 1 by 4 in the sense 41 by 4% which is equal to 8. Then 1% is equal to 8 into, sorry, this is 82. 82 into 4 by 41, principal is 100% into 100. 41 2 times, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 100 800. ఈ రామాయణం అవసరమా అసలు? కామన్ సెన్స్. 10 1 by 4 అనేది 82. 10% అంటే కొద్దిగా తగ్గాలి. 82కి కొద్దిగా తగ్గితే 80 రౌండ్ ఫిగర్. Come on. A certain amount was invested in scheme A which offers simple interest. If the simple interest obtained after 4 years from scheme A will be equal to amount invested. What do you mean by amount invested? In terms of percentage. Amount invested, principal, capital, investment. In terms of percentage. And 100% is equal to simple interest obtained in 4 years. In 4 years, if you get 100%, then rate of interest per annum is 25% only. Next. What will be the simple interest obtained from scheme B when 585 rupees are invested for 2 years? In 2 years, how much % interest you will get? Per annum, if it is 25%. In 2 years, what is the year percentage? 50% on principal, 585. 292.5 rupees. First option answer. Over. P earns 15,000 more than Q. So P value is equal to Q plus 15,000, where Q is getting Q. And Q earns 20,000 more than R. Then R gets 20,000 less than Q. If total monthly income of P and R is 70,000, P and R together they get 2Q minus 5,000 is equal to 70,000. 2Q is equal to 75,000. Then Q is equal to by 2, 37,500. Third option final. over. In a college, the average age of female students is 21 and the average of male is 200. 200 male students is 19. So female average 21, male average 19, and you know that male are 200 people. And the average of both male and female students is 20. Go for allegation. Difference between these two numbers, 20 and 19, 1. Difference between 21 and 20, 1. So male and female ratio, 1:1. That means there are equal number of male and female. So if male are 200, female are also. Answer. And your question is how many female students are there in the college. If the question is how many students are there, then answer would be 400. And as your question is about only female, 200 is our final answer. Is it clear? Next. Done with it?